Hi, welcome back to my beautiful mess. This is Mary. Today I'm doing a flip through of the Summer Vibes Value Pack sticker book, and I've been so excited about this sticker book. It's got my favorite things in it. It's got flamingos and palm trees, and I've been really excited to see this come out. All right, so you've got some really pretty holographic stickers here. They're gold, it's like gold holograph. Okay, you got some boxes and some don't forget stickers in the middle. Checklist stickers and boxes. Got double boxes and some flags. More double boxes and flags, different designs. How cute is that? I wish they'd make a whole book just of flamingos. I know I'm weird like that. Okay, and some cute boxes here, colorful boxes. Got another page of those. These are really pretty. They kind of remind me of the Be Social box, kind of the same kind of color palette. They've got text and they've got gold foil on them. Some cute little monstera leaves. Also one of my favorites. Flamingos, a whole page of flamingos. And a whole page of sunglasses. How cute. Okay, you got some date night stickers, appointment, and then reschedule stickers. And those are gold foiled. Okay, and then so you've got, this is definitely reminding me of the Be Social box. It has like the exact same color palette. But you got some colorful boxes. You've got 2 pages of those. Full color, colorful boxes. Okay, you got some ASAP stickers, note to self, today's plan down here. And these are clear. You got brunch and girls' night stickers. And these are clear background as well. And you've got some more like quotes. These are a gold holographic. Okay. Clear quote stickers. Oh, I love these. Palm trees. I just wish there were like multiple pages of these because I will be using them. And then on the next page, you have gold ones, some gold foil ones. And some really pretty pineapples, gold foil pineapples. Okay, and then some alphas. And these are clear. And you get 2 pages of those. So that's really nice. 2 pages. Okay, and some quotes here. Some border stickers. Some flags, horizontal flags. And you probably can't see, not without me getting a little closer, but they're a little hard to notice, but these are actually little flags too. So, and that is it. That is the Summer Vibes Value Pack sticker book. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give me a thumbs up before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos.